Ali Kate olabiko gundi yange drive yange post muri ebintu bino bikebera. You are getting all the answers right. Okay. The court was seated and the books were opened. Now, Julian, these were all our sins. There's a book of life and the book of there's a book of our life. In other words, down meticulously. Everything we do, good or bad, is written in those books. So when the heavenly court sits, it's as if you, in fact, it's better than that you're not even there. Your books represent you. Ebitabo byo, ebikolwa byo, ebintu byera biredda byonna gwe byotomanyi olaba ogendayo in person, it can work to your disadvantage. Kwami ojja byerabira. Bagale wakonjo wakolenga ng'otakula mutwe. Naye ebitabo tebikola ki? Tebirimba. Because abandika mu bitabo ebyo bamalayika, they make no mistakes. Ate tebeerabira kwami kiwangiddwa mu kitabo ky'omu ggulu. So Gwenange chokola, that's why you don't have to be there. Our record is already where? There. So when the judgment is going on, our records are there. Records are so they don't have to be alive to face that judgment. Their records speak for them. Yeah, Adam, you know, yeah, oh, it was a so their records speak on their behalf, and that should be good news because there are no mistakes. Okay, katuyengere mas.